हेलो गाइस, तो इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 6 प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस टू लर्न इन 2020. Like, what are the programming languages that a computer science student should learn in 2020? And also we're going to discuss about the frameworks as well, which a computer science student should be aware of, especially in 2020s. So in our list, number 1 is Java, number 2 is Golang, which is also called Go, number 3 is Python, number 4 is Node.js, and number 5 is Angular, and number 6 is Vue.js. I hope that you all are aware of about the basics of these things, that what does it mean: Java, Golang, Python, Node.js. JS means JavaScript. These are some of the frameworks and the programming languages. Now we're gonna move on to one by one, like why we should learn these things in 2020 and what are the skills demands in the industry, and why the different companies are looking for people who can do these kind of stuff. Number one is Java. So why the different companies like Google, Facebook, and other like small scale companies like Salesforce and other companies are looking for Java developers? Because they need to Java is quite efficient to build the software that is quite scalable, like CRM systems, customer relationship management systems. It is quite scalable in that, so it's quite important to learn Java, especially if you are just starting your career. It is very good to have Java developers or Java programming skills on your resume. And the second is the Go, as everybody know, it is developed by Google itself. So as to now we need to discuss about why Google developed Go. So the basic thing is the Google developed it. They were working on some sort of software development, the Google teams, and they find that we need to develop a new language so that it will be easier for our developer teams to work collaboratively and develop the softwares in efficient times. Moreover, one of the like the syntax of Go is quite easy to understand, and also so semantics is not quite difficult to understand. But one of the major advantages of dealing with Go are it support the concurrency. If you know the programming at the deep level, you know that every single line of the code or whatever you write ultimately boils down to subroutines, coroutines, and these kind of stuff at the machine code level. uh, why learn Go in 2020? Because it support concurrency and we can do multi-threading programming, if you are aware of what does it mean. And moreover, it is quite efficient to develop the small scale applications, especially for the mid to large size companies. It is quite easy to develop the different softwares, and also it is quite easy to learn as well. Moreover, the development period for designing the Go the projects that involve Go and developing the software that is backended by Go is quite easy. So it's quite proficient from the developer side as well and the enterprise side as well to deal with the Go development. Next is Python. Everybody says that the next 10 years Python gonna take over the whole industry, especially because of the advances in data science and data analytics and machine learning, especially because of the different Python frameworks we can easily train our machine learning models. But for the time being, like in 2020, one of the hot job that exists in the market is the data engineer and the data scientist, both of which require Python as a key skill. So it will be worth learning Python in 2020, especially learning the Django framework, which is not by the way, which is not quite difficult to use, but it is quite good to have Django framework on your resume to get a job. Moreover, like let's discuss about what's the uses of having Django framework. The one of the most basic one, or you should say that the easiest one use of Django framework is web application development. We can develop the web apps specifically, which is